Hi. Are you tired of your cough?
Yes.
Do you want to get rid of it?
Oh yeah, baby.
Good, because I'm here to help you with the new cough-o-disingrator. It is medicine that you will take to make all your problems fade away. Okay. Let's take a look at our customer who tried this and now looks great. Right now she has a cough. Look how sickly she feels and looks.
Oh God, I need something to help me.
Well, you know what? Good. Because here it is. This is cough-o-disingrator.
What is this?
Pour it into your cup and drink it.
It smells pretty good.
Yeah, it tastes good too. And now her cough will be gone.
My cough does feel like.
See? And if you want to feel just as great as her, call now at 1-800-cough-o-disingrator.
It works instantly.
How does it taste?
Like my aunt's milk. Because when I sleep over her house, it just tastes terrible.
But this tastes great, right?
No.
And it really works. Call now.